Oh, he's eating the apples from his hand. He's
Look at that! Oh my gosh! He's gonna scratch my foot! He's gonna scratch my foot! Oh! Oh my god! He just scratched my foot!
Más para abajo, más para abajo. Ah, súbela.
เนี่ยมันพันเป็นแบบเกี่ยวขึ้นไปเลยเนาะ
Oh my gosh!
okay.
Oh my god!
Okay, I guess we don't get too close.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Tem que filmar ele andando com a faca.
Tá filmando já.
Ei, esse aí é o caranguejo do sítio de Niri, ó. Repare seu filho da pele é manso. A gente foi matar ele, ele tomou a faca e tá ameaçando todo mundo.
Ew. Ah! The duck got it.
Oh no, 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 no. Oh my God.
Get out!
He sees it. He sees it. Look at him. Oh my God.
Oh my god, did you get that on video?
Oh God, Pete, your pedal's close to that one. Sorry.
Take it home. He just bites harder.
Does it hurt?
What's that?
Has it got something in his mouth or something?
Yeah, his arm.
No, come on.
To come out this way. Hopefully my brother could do something. That'd be great.
Yeah, but why can't they come and like, you know?
Channel 7 News should come right now.
Yeah.
Sheldon Fox in Westchester.
Let's get some Sheldon Fox in there with his suit on and with like the several layers that he has.
Alright, I'm gonna jump in there and try to get him out, guys.
No.
Oh, he's f***ing on. He's f***ing on. Oh! Oh, he's gonna come off. Oh, he's going hard. Oh, shit. Get out of there, son.
Here we go.
You've eaten that lure. Jesus Christ! Holy moly! Right in the corner of the jaw. Holy moly, that was a big boy.
മര്യാദക്ക് പറഞ്ഞ
Não, que ele vai vir em cima da gente, mano. Olha o jeito que ele tá, filho. Olha lá, mano. Ó.
Aí ele volta.
Vai, Fusca, vai.
Ngăn nuốt thằng kêu. Thói kia thôi, thói kêu. Thôi đi. Nó riêng cái nào bên đây à? Mìnhจะกินของกินในรถเนี่ย
You gotta be kidding me.
Wow, you ever seen anything that big?
No, never.
I think that's two guys in an alligator suit.
Ну чё ты, ну иди сюда, иди сюда, иди сюда, ну привет, ну дорогой. Чё ты, как дела? Как?
This dude is getting in the way of me going to the bar. And he's really scary. Please don't come this way. I don't like this. The bar is that way. Please move. Please move. Come on. Oh, me. No! He has a boner.
Alex, he's putting the wind in it. Alex, one foot.
Let's go in. Let's go in. Okay. Here it comes. Okay. Go on. He's huge. Go on. Go on. All right, I'm gonna close this door. Go on. Go up your creek.
Look at the camera and say goodbye to Hoss.
Going up the creek. There you go. There you go, going up that tree. There you go. Can you make it?
I think we got a garfish, dude. Be careful, Evan. Oh my God! That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big gator.
Get back.
Now, when you're playing with lions, it's important to never show fear.
on, keep kicking him.
Oh, I'm so glad I was recording that. Ah.
Hey. 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 Hey.
Alrighty, here we go. 1, and 2, 3. Jesus Christ Almighty! Snakes! Jesus Christ!
Got like a big stick or something. Big stick. It's heavy, whatever it is. That is not a stick. Oh my God, that's not a stick at all. Holy sh**. Holy sh**. Oh my Lord, holy moly. Wow, that changes things.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never